Hey there, fellow note takers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to share documents on GoodNotes 2025. GoodNotes has become a go-to app for organizing notes, annotations, and more, especially with its updated features in 2025 that make sharing a breeze. Whether you're a student collaborating on group projects or a professional sending reports, this tutorial will have you sharing in no time. First things first, make sure you have GoodNotes 2025 installed on your iPad or device. It's super intuitive, but let's walk through the steps. Start by opening the GoodNotes app and navigating to the document you want to share. Once you're in, tap on the document to select it. Look for the three-dot menu or the share icon at the top of the screen. Next, hit that share button, and you'll see a variety of options pop up. GoodNotes 2025 offers flexible export formats like PDF, images, or even editable notes. Choose the one that suits your needs. For example, if you're sharing with colleagues, PDF is usually the way to go for preserving your annotations. Now, select your sharing method. You can email it directly, use AirDrop for quick transfers to nearby devices, or link it to cloud services like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Just tap the option, follow the prompts to add recipients or upload, and voila! Your document is on its way. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large files, compress them first in the app's settings to avoid any sharing hiccups. Also, double-check your privacy settings to ensure you're only sharing what you intend to. And there you have it. Sharing documents in GoodNotes 2025 is straightforward and efficient, saving you time and hassle. If you run into any issues, check for app updates or visit the help section. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.